Hello there, welcome into this new video. Let's take a look at what we need to do in order to start creating a very first digital planner in a very easy and simple way. So first of all, what you want to do is to take in mind what you want to do actually. What is the digital planner and how we can get started. If this is the first time that you are creating a digital planner, I can strongly suggest you to look for the elements that you want to see inside your digital planner. And with more precise, think if this digital planner will be for you, specifically for you. So in my case, I went to google.com, I tap what are the digital planner elements that needs to be included. So we do have yearly planner, there's a monthly planner, there's thread, a monthly planner, a weekly planner, daily planner, to-do list, habit tracker, meal, water, and exercise tracker. So there are much more elements of course to add into digital planner. But in my own perspective, for example, let's say that I am really into sports, let's say that I'm in college and I am currently starting a part job. So with 3 elements in time, I want to have a few elements into my digital planner that can help me to track my exercise, to track my homework, for example, to track my times into my part-time job. So depending on what are the elements, what are activities that you go into your current day, you want to add that into your digital planner. So with that being said, what I can do is to actually do this in a very easy way. So for example, I do love to use Canva. Canva is a great application that is totally free and we can customize a lot of templates. So I just tap, for example, weekly planners, and here into weekly planners, what Canva has to offer to me is all these templates that I can use for my own projects, for my daily life. So for example, this one that says white colorful planner, and here to have the target, the to-do list, and here's the date. So if you think like this template has the element that you need for your daily activities, go into customize the template, and later you can change the elements that appears in here. For example, for me, this appears to be a little girly, so I can make this a little bit more with my style, with my male style, something like that. But let's say I want to choose this weekly planner. I think this weekly planner, it's like more interesting for me, but actually I'm gonna just look for this one and here to customize this template. So what I did to do this like step by step is to use a few tools from the Google workspace. So if you don't know what that actually is speaking about the Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google, absolutely anything that has to deal with Google. So here into Google Docs, what I need to do is to do my docs. I want to do blanked, and here what I want to do created is to actually just start to add like the main elements for my digital planner. So here I tapped into my digital planner 2023, and let's say that I want to create, for example, first of all, I want to create like a yearly or a monthly, of course, in monthly planner. And here then I want to choose a weekly. Use this and delete this like this, and here I want to choose meals or weekly meals like this, weekly meals, and I can add more elements from, for example, the digital planner that appears in here, the to-do list, the habit tracker. So I can choose here to-do list, and myself, let's say that I want to add something like goals, or like this. I'm gonna leave it like that. So I can just use that. I can go into the numbered section, numbered list, and here I can start to create my own personal files. So I want to start with my digital planner in the 2023. I want to start actually with a monthly planner. So here in the templates, I do want to start with a monthly planner. So here I do look for, instead of weekly planner, I went to monthly planners. And then what I want to do is to choose a planner that fits for me the best or has the elements that I want to see in a monthly planner. So for example, I think that for me works this one. I want to choose customize this template, and here into customize this template, what I want to do is to start where to track in my own stuff here. I want to edit and customize here. First of all, in order to customize my images, my elements, the colors, first of all I need to verify that inside the monthly planner is the accurate information that I want to see into this planner. So for example, here into the monthly planner, I want to go for month of January. So then I once again tap into a new tab and look for 2023 calendar, and I want to look for a reference to see when does the first day of January start. So here is the first date, which is actually, I'm going to hit this option, which is actually the first of Sunday. Alright, so we start in Sunday. So here I'm going to go back into my file that I'm just getting started with. I'm going to close this for a second here. I'm going to go into this one because I kind of got lost here for a second. So here I want to zoom this a second. And here you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We need to add, of course, as you can see, I need to add Sunday. Sunday is not available in here. I don't know why, but what I can do is to add something else. I can try to do another template. For example, this one, add it as a new page. And as you can see, this one already has the January that starts on Sunday. So what I just need to do is to edit the text and the colors, because for me I think like it's not like that accurate, that good, but I can do this as my own. So here I can choose different colors, different text. I want to choose something a little bit more rather bluest like this, and change the colors later. There we go. I can choose go into the effects. These are just for making just being creative here into your own document. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but if you want to get started and you want to like know how to use Canva, I can leave you guys a link down below in the description if you want to know more about elements, text, more advanced tools of Canva. But actually what I'm doing here is just to edit and use a few elements that are already into Canva. So I am just making just drag and drop and resize and redimension, nothing from the other world. Really easy, right? So I'm gonna go from, let's say I want to look for an astronaut element, and I'm going to go for graphics, and here I do have this guy, and I want to look for a moon like this, and I do have this option, and I can add this in here, and I can move this into the back, so I can just start to edit as I wanted to. So lastly, what I need to do is to change, or I mean what I want to do of course is to change the text font on of course the colors, because I want to make this a little bit more accurate like this. And here I want to choose the same font that I choose in here. I want to go into effects, and here I want to change that from like this, and I can make this a little bit more big enough to see it in my file. So there you have it. So once you are successfully finished with all your stuff, what you can do is to just I'm going to move this a little bit more smaller. You can just download your file, and you can just scratch this from your Google Docs list. A monthly planner has been now successfully done, and I can go and move with the weekly planner, and then the part-time job tracker, and the weekly meals, and the to-do list, and the goals, and everything is being created based on the template from Canva. So I'm going to be saving a lot of time. So hopefully guys, this was a very useful video for you. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video valuable for your work and your daily life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have lots of fun with Canva, and I will see you on the next one.